Namo Namaha. Welcome to Ashtamaha Pathaha, that is 8th lesson of Praveshaha. You must be learning not many things through correspondence course. All the best for that. And we'll start with new pratyaya, that is suffix twa. Balakaha bhojanam krutva क्रीडति. बालकः प्रथमं भोजनं करोति अनन्तरं क्रीडति. Son eats first and then plays. So first activity is followed by another one. In this case you have twa suffix, that is pathitva. For first activity you are supposed to put pathati, patha plus twa, it becomes pathitva. You can note it. Aham pathitva vadami. Aham likhitva vadami. I write first and then I speak. So I speak after writing. Having written, I speak. So two activities altogether, if they are supposed to be stated, then you are supposed to use twa. We learn khadati, khaditva, likhati, likhitva, gachati, go to basic root gama and then gatva, smarati, smrutva. So by this suffix we can make forms like pathitva, khaditva, likhitva. All these are indeclinables. Friends, you must be remembering we have learnt indeclinables like cha, api, ataha. All these indeclinables are useful to conjunct the sentence. But these are originally indeclinables. Here by the suffix we are going to derive indeclinable from the root, from the verb. So this is the speciality of twa, that we make indeclinable. We are not going to make new type of verb, we are going to make new type of indeclinable, that is avyayam. So we have made forms like pathitva, kriditva, khaditva. So this twa, here you can note this, that ka goes on, twa will remain, and by that we have made indeclinable avyayam, which remains as it is in all the tenses, in all the sentences. Krutva is going to remain krutva itself, though you change the tense or any mood of the sentence. Here gatva, mata gruham gatva bhojanam karoti. Gatva is not going to change because of gender, tense or any mood. So this is very important, that we are supposed to remember gatva, krutva, pathitva are the forms which are avyayas, indeclinables. Here mata gruham gatva bhojanam karoti. Gama plus tva has become gatva. But sometimes if we say agachati, then it will become agatya. Mata gruham agatya bhojanam karoti. Mother comes home and then eats. So mata gruham agatya bhojanam karoti. In the case of agachati, a is prefix. We have learnt lot many prefixes in previous lesson, that is upasarga. Because of upasarga you cannot use twa, you have to use lyap. So this lyap in that here will remain, and you will have to make agatya. Anupathati, anupathya. So we have lot many examples like this. we have 22 upasargas. With every upasarga, you will have to use lyap. There, you cannot use tva. So, for example, Arakshakaha choram anusrutya gatavan. Sarati is rutva, but anusarati will become anusrutya. Harati, but apaharati will become rutva, apaharati will become aparutya. Choraha dhanam aparutya dhavitavan. Apaharati will become aparutya. Samarpayati, here we can see some upasarga, here it will become samarpya. Bhaktaha devaya pushpam samarpayati anantaram gacchati. Bhaktaha devaya pushpam samarpya gacchati. Sevakaha vrukshat avatirya gacchati. Avatarati, ava is upasarga, immediately we are supposed to use lyap, that is ya. Avatirya gacchati. Of course, this is also one indeclinable, which is the option of, it's not option, it's just like twa. It's similar to twa. Whenever prefix is there, you will have to use lyap. Whenever prefix is not there, you will have to use twa. Now, we learn Panchami Vibhakti, that is ablative case. This case is used in separation. Whenever something is separated from something, at the place you are supposed to use Panchami Vibhakti. Lekhani hastat patati. For example, Lekhani hastat patati. Here, hastaha and lekhani both are separated. From hand, lekhani fell down, pen fell down. So, this hastat will become, this is ablative case, Panchami Vibhakti. So, for separation, viyogaha, for the word from, we are supposed to use Panchami Vibhakti. Here are some examples. Vrukshat parnam patati. Vrukshebhyaha phalani patanti. Devataha swargat agachanti. Nirjaraha parvatat pravahati. Nadi parvatat pravahati. Marjaraha cat. Dwarat agachati, comes from the door. Marjaraha vatayanat agachati, from the window. So, this is Panchami Vibhakti. Here are singular and plural forms of ablative case, that is Panchami Vibhakti. Ramat, as you know, akaranta pullingam, it will become Ramat, Ramebhyah. Vanam, Vanat, Vanebhyah. Vanat, Vyaghraha agachati. Mala, Malayaha. Malayaha, Malabhyah. Malayaha, Pushpam patati. Malabhyah. Malabhyah pushpani patanti, in plural. Harehe varam swikaromi, one harihi. Haribhyah, now we cannot make it plural, we can say haribhyah ashirvachanani labhyante. Matehe, matehe avishkaraha bhavati. Matibhyah, technically it will become matibhyah. Dadnaha, dadhi is curd. Dadnaha jivanasatvam labhyate. So, from curd. Dadhibhyah, technically we have made it plural. Bhanoho, bhanoho prakashaha labhyate. Now, in our galaxy, lot many bhanus are there. So, bhanubhyaha prakashaha prasarati. Lekhanyaha mashi निस्सरति. लेखनीभ्यः मषि निस्सरति. मधुनः मधुभ्यः. मधुनः जीवनसत्त्वं लभ्यते. Madhu is honey. And madhubhyah, if many types of madhus are there, then madhubhyah जीवनसत्त्वं लभ्यते. पिता will become pituhu. Pituhu आशीर्वचनं स्वीकरोमि. So पितृभ्यः आशीर्वचनं स्वीकरोमि. मातुः पुस्तकं स्वीकरोमि. मातृभ्यः पुस्तकं स्वीकरोमि. So you'll have to take something, you'll have to get something. Separation is most important while using Panchami Vibhakti. So let's decline Sarvanama in Panchami Vibhakti. Sarvanama is pronoun that is tat, etat, asmat and yushmat. So here tat, tasmat. Aham tasmat dwarat agachami. You want to be specific. At the time you'll use Sarvanama, that is pronoun. You'll say tasmat vrukshat phalam patati. Tasmat vrukshat parnam patati. So here tasmat and its plural is tebhyah. Tebhyah vanebhyah kasthani anayati. Tasmat tebhyah about saha and tat same in Napunsakalingam. So that's why tasmat, tasmat, tebhyah, tebhyah. Napunsakalinga goes same as masculine. Kaha, question form, kasmat, kebhyah. You want to ask, kasmat gruhat marjaraha agachati. Kasmat gruhat balakaha gachati. From which house? So at the time you will say kasmat and plural will be kebhyah. केभ्यः वृक्षेभ्यः फलानि पतन्ति. केभ्यः वृक्षेभ्यः फलानि लभ्यन्ते. Here एतत्, एतस्मात्, एतेभ्यः. एषः, एतस्मात्, एतेभ्यः. एतस्मात् हस्तात् शरावः पतति. So which hand, being specific, will say एतस्मात् हस्तात् if it is nearer. सा तस्याः ताभ्यः. कस्याः नद्याः जलम् आनयति? तस्याः नद्याः जलम् आनयति. So being specific, you'll point out तस्याः नद्याः. Then एषा, if it is nearer, you'll say एतस्याः एताभ्यः. एतस्याः लेखन्याः मषि स्रवति. It is nearer, so etasyaha lekhanyaha mashi sravati. If it is far away, tasyaha lekhanyaha mashi na sravati. So here, esha, etasyaha, etabhyaha. Etabhyaha lekhanibhyaha mashi na sravati. Uttamaha lekhanyah santi. Ka, kasyaha, kabhyaha. Kasyaha लेखन्याः मषि स्रवति. कस्याः पेटिकायाः पुस्तकम् आनयति. काभ्यः पेटिकाभ्यः पुस्तकम् आनयति. काभ्यः नदीभ्यः जलम् आनयति. In plural. किं, कस्मात्. Neutral form. Kim will remain kasmat like kasmat, kaha, kasmat itself. Same. So kim, kasmat. कस्मात् वनात् जलम् आनयति और कस्मात् वनात् काष्ठम् आनयति. केभ्यः वनेभ्यः काष्ठम् आनयति. Here we'll use asmat sarvanama and yushmat sarvanama, that is aham and tvam. Fifth case of aham is mat. Here you'll have to remember how to use this mat in the sentence. While using in the sentence, you'll have to use one more pratyaya, that is suffix, that is taha. With mat, you'll say balaha mattaha laddukam swikaroti. So it is from me. For tvam also this case is same. As for tvat, you will have to put taha and you will say balaha tvattaha, from you. Balaha tvattaha laddukam swikaroti. So remember, this taha is most important. Here we learn one more aspect about Panchami Vibhakti, that is ablative case. That is, when you want to state that someone is earlier than another, you will have to say Purvam and Paraha. There you are supposed to use Panchami Vibhakti. For example, Ramaha Lakshmanat Purvaha. Lakshmanaha Ramat Paraha. Mama Anujaha Matparaha Balakasya Anujaha Tasmat Paraha. So there Panchami Vibhakti is needful. And for superiority, when you want to state superiority, you will have to say Kalidasaha Bhavabhutehe Shreshtha. Friends, we are there to make Sanskrit very easy for you. You should feel comfortable to speak and make sentences in Sanskrit. So there are lot many informations which are to be given to you. This is one more information that is very useful to make Sanskrit very comfortable to use in daily usage. Here we have learnt ablative case Panchami Vibhakti. We have learnt all the forms in all the genders. There we are supposed to remember Lekhanyaha, Malayaha, Malabhyaha, Lekhanibhyaha. All the forms in singular form. There is one option to use for Panchami Vibhakti, that is the suffix taha. If suddenly you don't remember Devyaha phalam swikaromi, you can comfortably say Devi taha phalam swikaromi. And taha is appropriate for every gender. Ramat ramataha, Vrukshat vrukshataha, Vanat vanataha, Dhenoho dhenutaha, Bhanoho bhanutaha, Balakaha balakataha, Devi devitaha, Nadi naditaha, Aham naditaha jalam ahrami. So it is very comfortable to use taha. So Panchami Vibhakti becomes our friend.